Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage we're going to be taking a look at our LED light bar kit for the 2014 and up Toyota Tundra. Now our engineers CAD designed powder-coated steel brackets to bolt our stage series light bars onto the Tundra using existing factory mounting points. The installation is simple and straightforward, requiring no cutting or modification whatsoever. The kit is available in two different sizes, both a 42-inch bar as well as a 30-inch bar. The 42-inch bar will neatly fill that secondary grill gap that the Tundras come with, while the 30-inch bar will sit neatly behind the secondary grill while still giving you dramatically increased light output. The light bars that are featured in this kit are our stage series light bars that utilize TIR, or total internal reflection optics, to give you a bright, focused beam for dramatically increased visibility at night without any wasted light or unnecessary additional weight. For more information on this product, visit diodedynamics.com or use the dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.